أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Blessed last Friday of July 2021 greetings from Sheikh Akbar Ali Mirza, Climate Smart Trust, and Sam's TQLMA Club to global residents of our planet. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I am leading the project of building Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School Health Centers in global university campuses to combat the Delta variant of COVID-19 by utilizing the current best available technologies and treatments to assure that all families, all residents are tested using Excalibur test kits, and positive families are treated in global university campuses where we are building our health centers. Everyone can participate in our program by joining with 10 pure gold coin. Annual membership of SAM's TQLMA Club can be acquired with 20 Canadian dollars, which also includes the membership of Victory Garden to enable global mothers to grow climate smart food ingredients in their home, serve immunity boosting climate smart food to the family, and earn extra income by selling excess ingredients. 5,300 PGC, Global Executive MBA, STEM graduates can enroll in the program, and they will be trained by Dr. Paul Olivier, Mr. Ken Telford, Mr. Richard Nelson in climate smart agriculture, construction technologies, who will be actually building our Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School Health Centers and Sam's Aligarh Muslim Tijarat University Climate Smart Campus Towns in global gold mines, farms, and global cities of our planet. 110,000 PGC, economically vibrant club members will be able to acquire permanent resident status in the country of their choice. Currently, we are building our Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School health centers in Kenya, in Pakistan, in Canada, and in USA. And eventually it will be built in London, in UK, as well as all other UN member countries. So everyone has to contribute 20 PGC. Those people who do not have 10 Canadian dollars, 10 PGC or 20 Canadian dollars, SAM Climate Smart Trust is going to be providing them Kardan Hasna so that they can become the member, and then we can help them out in any fashion we can to enhance their skills, and they will be actually working with us in our Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School health centers. This health center will also have a 724 climate smart restaurant where immunity boosting foods will be served, and all the people who are homeless, people who do not have any education, people who do not have, any income of any sort, and people who are living on streets. All those people will be accommodated in our health centers so that they can enjoy this clean life, and that is the only way we can combat COVID-19. So, welcome aboard. Iltamas dua, request for dua for all residents living in Makkah Muazzama, Madinatul Munawwara, Baitul Maqdis, Karbala Mualla, Najiful Ashraf, to do special dua on my behalf, on the behalf of the leadership team of Sam's Tequelma Club, to conduct the Sam's Climate Smart Business Expo and Conference in universities of East Africa. We are planning to do this on 23rd August to 31st August 2021. And idea behind this conference is that everyone can physically or virtually participate in the conference, and all SMEs who will join us in this conference with 5300 PGC, they will be linked with a STAM graduate, and collectively, we will assure that their business is enhanced to the next level. And in 53 months, the team of an SME and STAM graduates will be able to do the business of about 1 million PGC, which is also the requirement of graduation of Gamba in Climate Smart Business with Traction. So welcome aboard anyone who are interested in acquiring our services of consultation services from our leadership team. My WhatsApp number is +92 333 228 3257. And a session like this is available to all residents of our planet for 110 PGC. And for Sam's Tequelma Club members, we will charge 72 PGC per session, and with a money back guarantee that if you are not able to earn this amount back in 1,000 days, your money will be returned. So, welcome aboard to the wonderful journey of climate smart business with traction by joining Sam's Tequelma Club. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. Warham wa taraham kama sallaita wa sallamta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Wa akhiru da'wahum anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.